Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create a Bumble account using your Facebook ID. So first of all, you need to download the Bumble app either from your Play Store or your App Store. And once downloaded, open it. Here I've already opened the app. Now here simply tap on the continue with Facebook option and then tap on continue. That means this allows the app and website to share information about you. So here if you want that, tap on continue. Now here tap on open. So if you log in with Facebook, Bumble will access to your name and profile picture, your email address, your birthday, your photos, gender and so on. So tap on continue here. Again tap on open. So if you want the app to enable your current location, tap on enable location option, or you can skip the part and tap on not now. Again, if you want the app to send you notification, tap on allow notification, or you can skip the part and tap on not now. So here choose a mode to get started if you want. So here choose why you want to use the app. Either you want to use it for dating purpose or making new friends. Tap on the option and then tap on the arrow button. Now again choose your desired preference, whether you are looking for men to date or for women or for both of the genders. Tap on the option, again tap on arrow. Now here tap on got it. There's another thing as well. If you get matched with someone and if you don't communicate with them within 24 hours, then the match will expire as well. That is the information here. And afterwards tap on got it. So these are the terms and policies of the app. You can read this and then tap on I agree option. So that's how you can create a Bumble account by linking your Facebook account to your Bumble account. So this much for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.